What's up and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. I'm Tim and I want to give y'all another little diesel heater tip that I actually just learned, and there's videos on the internet, you can go find them. I'm not the only one out there with this information, but my viewers might find it from me. So we're going to pass it on in the diesel heater tips. So let's jump into it. So this is my little makeshift little window insert for my diesel heater. Here's the return air right here that's sucking air out of the room, and here's where the hot air shoots back in. I have to show you all the outside later. But anyway, I got my little thermostat right here, my little control panel. And what we're going to be talking about is the timer function. I just learned how to use the timer function on this thing. This is awesome. So I'm going to reset my timer to 0. Let's see. Because this right here is, it's just telling me how long it's been on. Because I got power on it. So we'll set this back to 0. Okay. And set you back to 0. Okay. Now, you see this 1 that pops up? This is your first timer. If you click up and turn this one on, hit OK, it's a countdown timer. This is not a clock. So this thing, we're going to turn it on in 1 minute. So we're going to set it for 1 minute. So we're going to turn all these things to zeros and this one to a 1. All right, so that will turn it on in 1 minute as soon as it counts down. Now this second timer is when you want to turn off. If you don't want it to turn off, just leave this one off. If you want it to turn off, you set this one on, and okay. Same thing with this one. It's a countdown. Now, you're going to have 1 minute for turn on, and then you're going to have to add that 1 minute plus a little bit more for your turn off. So let's say you want to turn off in 5 minutes. We'll set it all to 0. And 0, 0, and we'll set this one to 5. Actually, we'll go 6. And we'll just do this whole video live so you can see the whole process. And we'll hit OK. Now, some diesel heaters have like a little clock or something that pops up on the side. Looks like a little clock. Mine doesn't do that. Mine just does this. You really don't know it's done until it's done. So, in just about a minute, you're going to see, let's see, we'll reset that one to 0 real quick. All right, we'll leave those alone. All right, in about 1 minute, you're going to see this thing actually turn on the diesel heater, which is outside. I had it figured out. I was setting it all up in case I needed like emergency heat for this winter or whatnot, but you never know with power outages and stuff up here. All these pine trees, the branches drop and take out the power lines. But I thought this was really cool because I never could figure out how to get the timers or on-off things to work. And I just came across it today, so I thought I'd share it. So it should be starting on here in just a minute. All right, so I messed up and I turned it off. So anyway, here we go. We're gonna go back through this thing, get it all started over again. All right, so we're gonna set this one. When I reset this one to 1, it turned it off. So we're gonna go through, set that one to 0, good. That one's gonna be on, good. That one's gonna be on. I want 2 on, and it's gonna be set for 5 minutes. All right, we're good. Now, it will work this time, I promise. It's going to work. It's going to work. There it goes, it worked. All right, now it's gonna start up. It's gonna go through this little thing. and then I will bring y'all back when it gets closer to the point where it's going to turn it off. Hopefully y'all can hear it spooling up. This is what I call my all-weather diesel heater. It's the one that's built inside the Pelican case or Apache case. And if you guys are looking for any diesel heater parts, I'll put a link in the description to my Amazon store. I have a section on diesel heaters. It's got all kinds of parts and pieces in there. So hopefully if you're looking for something, you'll find it there. If not, shoot me a comment, we'll try and find it. There it goes. So turn it off. So I hope that helps you out. So here's my diesel heater. I call my all-weather heater. It's inside the Apache case. So this in here can be out in the rain or whatever, and it didn't bother it none. I got my own custom connectors and everything that I put on it. But it goes up there to that little window. And that's a piece of 1/2-inch plywood, so it's decent thickness. And like I said, it's just a return on this side coming in, going out and going right back in the room. So it uses it heats up the air and just keeps it recirculating.